Okay, so the Real Techniques brushes are on, or sponges are on clearance for $4. You get a little 2-pack. It's nice. A Boscia brush, $6.99. These little Batiste minis, $7.99. That's cute. Orange is $1.99. Soap and Glory. Redken Pillow Proof Blow Dry, $4.99. Nothing really new and exciting here. The Body Shop Coconut Nourishing Dry Oil for Body and Hair, $4.99. Shea Moisture Little Minis, those are $2.99. The Living Proof Curl, $4.99. They seem to have a lot more of the Body Shop. Vitamin E Nourishing Night Cream, $7.99. That's something I'm interested in. Another Vitamin E Aqua Boost Sorbet, $4.99. These are nice. Philosophy, that Ice Cream Man one, prices off that. More of the Body Shops, $2.99, little mini scrubs, and then lotions for $2.99. Those are all nice. Let's see, and I'll show you their makeup bags too. Here's all their masks. We know they always have a lot of nice masks, all kinds. Oh, I think this looks cool. I always like to see a new cool one. $4.99. No Better Pores. They have egg ones. They have milk ones. Dr. Wellness Black Tea. They have all kinds of cool ones. They have some cute makeup bags. Look. Oh, look at that. Betsy Johnson, $14.99. Oh, I love this. I would love to get this for you guys. Alright, we got Bedhead Small Talk, $8. We got more The Body Shop Chamomile Waterproof Eye and Lip Makeup Remover, $3.99. That is nice. That's nice. Let's check out. Oh, the Detox Foot Pads. Are you kidding me? Oh, these are the pad ones. $5.99. This is a better price than in the stores. That's crazy. Bare Minerals, $34. Little powder foundation set. Makeup removing wipes. Skincare looks to be about the same. Let's see what we got here. We have... Hi, bud. Hold on one second. We have Honey and Collagen Dry Skin Rescue, $4.99. We have a bunch of Clinique. Revitalizing Treatment Oil, $19.99. Turnaround Daytime Revitalizing Moisture, $29.99. Dr. Brandt Time Arrest Laser Tight. I guess it's for tightening. $19.99. L'Oreal Revitalift. Shiseido Mattifying Moisturizer, $19.99. Shiseido The Skincare Purifying Mask, $19.99. Bare Minerals Performance Wear Liquid Foundation, $19.99. That's interesting. And then there's another one. Oh, I would love to try those out. Bare Minerals Skin Volumizing Oil Serum, $12.99. Bare Minerals Clay, Camelion, Purifying Cleanser, $12.99. I try to go quick if people are looking at me, you know? You know, guys, you know? Oh, Ruby Crystal Retinol Hydra Cream, $19.99, Dr. Brandt. That is a new one. Oh, we have more Bare Minerals. This was here last time, $12.99. The Body Shop Pomegranate Firming Serum, $5.99. We have Clinique SPF, $19.99. We have Peter Thomas Roth Rose Stem Cell Cleansing Gel, $13.99, which I would buy if I did not just buy a new cleanser myself. What do we have? What do we have? Spa Life. Okay, let's see. All kinds of mascaras. Nothing exciting. We have, you know, drugstore mascaras. $2.99 you're looking at spending. Maybelline, $3.99. So a little bit of a savings, but you could get a coupon and spend the same at another store, I guess. Oh, look, we have more of the broken Pixie palettes for $7.99. I'd get them if they weren't broken. We have some Ardell lashes, $9.99 for a 2-pack. No, thank you. Lancome eyeshadow, $12.99 for a single. Stila, the color lip, dual lip and cheek palette, $7.99. Smashbox color correcting stick, $7.99. What is this? What brand? I have no idea. Unconditional mascara? What is this? Pure Cosmetics Chrome Glaze High Shine Lip Gloss, $4.99. That's cute. More Smashbox color correctors. More Bare Minerals. We have a Lancome Hypnos. What is this? Eyeshadow stick, $12.99. And then a Stila Stay All Day Lip Liner, $3.99. What is this? Oh, I'm over that brand. That's all they have here is that BC. I don't see any Lily lashes. Lancome Matte Shaker, $12.99. Lip Injection. Oh, these are old. $6.99. Those are so old. I had those back in the day. We always have these 3-packs of NYX. They're on sale for $4. Oh, God. MAC Very Valuable Pro Longwear Lip Kit. That's nice. $19.99. Oh my gosh, look at this. I love it. Why is it like... This is so cute. If I could find the box, I would pick this up. A lipstick palette? I love it. We have all the Anastasia lippies still to get rid of that just aren't going. A Stila Color Lip Balm Lipstick in Opal, $5.99. More Stila, more Pure. Oh, here it is. $12.99 for this. That's not bad. A Chocolate Soleil Bronzer, $12.99. That's not bad either. If it's not broken, I would. Oh, and it. Snow Bunny. This is the one I use. Oh my gosh, I gotta check these prices out. I love both of those. I might get the Chocolate Soleil though, just because I don't have it. The Gigi Hadid, the Burt's Bees, $4.99. I want to check the prices on these. The NYX Liquid Suedes, $4.99. The Contour Cream Kits, the Glow Kits, the NYX Glitters, which I need to pick some up right now, actually. And we have Stila. Oh, that's in good condition too, but it has no box. And then we have Pixie Silky Eye Pens for $3.99. The Body Shop Contour Palettes, $7.99. Anastasia, $4.99 for a shadow. Too Faced lipstick, I like that. $3.99. I think Too Faced is about to come out with some new stuff, I truly do. That's the one that's made to look like Anastasia. We have some Lancome Color Design. 5 brightening all-in-one, an eyeshadow, $29.99. And then the Stila liquid lipsticks for $5.99. And I think that's it. Oh my gosh, I have this. The Pure Liquid Veil 4-in-1 Spray Foundation. Or no, I don't. $10.99. Huh, if they didn't have that in just dark, I would get that. I'm about to pick up some glitter. I keep saying it, and I truly need some glitter, but what color? What colors should I do? What colors do I have is the question. Sometimes I forget. And then we have all this. They have so much of the Body Shop lately. It's like, I can't even believe it. More Soap and Glory. Oh, look at, they have Honey and Cream, $6.99. The ice cream from Philosophy. Look at this. Lemon Custard Glazed Body Souffle from Philosophy. $14.99. How nice of a gift is that? Oh my goodness gracious. My goodness gracious. They have the cutest stuff. I just can never get over it. Look. Their eye and cheek palette. Oh, $7.99. That's what I was asking. The Body Shop, Wild Argan Oil and Cocoa Butter. The Body Shop Purifying Hand Cream. Oh, it's just so nice. I just love it. You know how I am. I love this place, guys. I can't get enough. Dr. Bobbi Brown Broad Spectrum Sunblock, $20. Hiding back here. More NYX glitter. It's like everywhere you go, there's something amazing. I'm gonna turn. That's here somewhere. So they have the chocolate bar palette, semi-sweet, for $24.99. And Bare Minerals Gold Obsession for $34. Illuminator plus a brush. Anastasia Cream Contour Kits, $18. Bare Minerals Invisible Light Translucent Powder Duo, $12.99. Oh, that's really pretty. I've seen that before. Too Faced Natural Eyes, $16.99. The Aurora Glow Kit, a bunch of them. How much are they? They're not marked. I bet they're 20. 24, huh? That's what they usually are. So that was my Marshall's little haul. It's not a haul because it's like a I'm showing you around, but I know people enjoy those, so I thought I would put one up. Let me know what you think of them. I know this is so unconventional, this video, but you know what? That's okay. I'm so dark too, huh? Let me turn a light on. I feel like this week's content was like meh, but I have a lot of exciting stuff coming up, and I thought of an awesome video. I don't want to say any more about it, but it's going to be kind of a theme that I am going to start probably the month of August. So be on the lookout for it. I promise it's going to be a real treat. But you know the drill. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, check out my Insta. Always have a giveaway. I have this awesome skincare giveaway with 2 winners this month. And yeah, I love you.